अभी सुबह के 6 बजे हैं और हम लोग बेंगलोर जाने के लिए तैयार हो गए। तो चलिए देखते रहिए ये व्लॉग चेन्नई और बेंगलोर दिखाएगा।
I don't know one single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah.
सो फाइनली हम लोग चेन्नई के एयरपोर्ट पहुंच गए, मेरी कजिन और मेरे अंकल और मैं। तो आप लोग देखते रहिए। अभी ये चेन्नई का एयरपोर्ट है। चेन्नई का एयरपोर्ट आप लोगों को थोड़ा दिखा देती हूँ।
Pick up the dice, give it a roll. You never really know which way to go. Feel it inside, feel the spark, lift you up when you're falling apart. We think we know it all, less than 10 feet small, with our head under ground. I think I've seen it all, that I've come so far, but it just got me high till I broke down. Does somebody know of a place where your heart doesn't sink like a stone when you're naked and broken with nowhere to go? Does somebody know? Does somebody know of a place where the green isn't covered by?
हम लोग अभी तक एयरपोर्ट के अंदर ही हैं। हम लोग गेट ढूंढ रहे हैं और कुछ दुकानें हैं एयरपोर्ट के अंदर चेन्नई के, आप लोग देख सकते हैं। सो देखते रहिए ये व्लॉग। सो वी आर सर्चिंग फॉर द गेट नंबर 4। My uncle wants to buy a sunglass, so we will buy a sunglass from here. So let's see from this shop. আপুনি কোনত ফুৰিব যাওঁতে পিন্ধিব পাৰে। সদায় অফিচাৰ হৈ থাকিব লাগিব নেকি? আজি অফিচাৰ নহব। আজি ৰজনীকান্ত। বেছি কলা। So today you are not an officer. You are an actor. নাই, এটা বঢ়িয়া লাগছে। ভিডিও ভাল লাগিছে। কিমান কিतना how much? What is the price? आप लोग कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइएगा मुझे इस सनग्लास में कैसा लग रहा है। आई नो बहुत ही खराब लग रहा है। नीलू सोसन यूज करेंगे and 6 months warranty also. We didn't buy the previous sunglass. We are checking another one and bargaining again and again. पूरा स्टैंडर्ड लगছে। মাস্কটো খুলি দিয়ক। মাস্কটো त्या पूरा ऑफिसर যেন লাগিছে, হিরো যেন লাগিছে। नीलू ऑफिसर कम हीरो। पीछे की तरफ आईने में देख सकते हैं मैं ब्लॉगिंग कर 2006 2006
2,500 rupees.
Sir, 600 only, sir.
Are you here?
No, sir. I will have to bill it, sir.
Okay, bill.
ये खरीद लिया?
हाँ
कितना लिया ये?
ऐसा होता ही है
ऑफिसर.
My uncle posing for pictures. What is this? मैं दुनिया की कैसी ले? What is this? अब एक बार. आप लोग पीछे के ग्लास में मुझे देख सकते हैं, मैं वीडियो कर रही हूँ और वीडियो करते करते there was a time when I was making the vlog and while I was making the vlog I hit the cupboard at the back side and all the sunglasses fell down.
Whenever I see often he is a blur one, but it has become clear.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, you just
Here means the color is very beautiful.
अभी हम लोग एयरपोर्ट पे ही ब्रेकफास्ट करेंगे क्योंकि ब्रेकफास्ट किया ही नहीं, सुबह जल्दी चले आए तो बर्गर बना रहे हैं. एक्चुअली हम लोग ऑलरेडी लेट थे तो जल्दी से ब्रेकफास्ट भी नहीं कर पाया, जल्दी जल्दी बुला दिया. देख सकते हैं आप लोग, सब लोग ऑलरेडी बोर्डिंग पे चले गए और पूरा खाली. मैं, मेरी चाचा और मेरी कज़िन, हम लोग लास्ट पे जा रहे हैं, एकदम लास्ट पे. और ये साइलेंट एयरपोर्ट है. मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली जो चेन्नई से बेंगलोर जाने वक्त पूरा साइलेंट है, आपको कुछ बोलेगा नहीं कि आप लेट हो गए हो, आपका फ़्लाइट का बोर्डिंग का टाइम हो गया. एवरीथिंग यू हैव टू डू बाय ऑल बाय योर सेल्फ. सो हम लोगों ने जल्दी से टाइम देखा तो आप लोग देख सकते हैं कोई भी इंसान नहीं है, हम अकेले जल्दी जल्दी जा रहे हैं. बस थोड़ा ही टाइम के लिए मतलब बच गए, नहीं तो फ्लाइट मिस कर देते. खाते खाते भूल ही जाते कि चलो तो इसलिए हम लोग अच्छे से नहीं खा भी नहीं पाया.
I don't care if you don't wanna do all the things that I do.
So luckily we had not missed the flight and now within 1 hour we will be in Bangalore and this is my first time towards the Bangalore, so keep watching and enjoy.
I only wanna be the one who makes you feel so good, so good. I'm trying to figure out where all of the pieces are going to fit.
I was trying the sunglasses bought by my uncle on myself and please आप लोग comment section में बताइए कैसी लग रही हूँ मैं, अच्छी लग रही हूँ कि नहीं. पहली वाली तो बहुत बुरी लग रही थी, ये वाला थोड़ा ठीक लग रहा है मेरे को. आप लोग भी कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइए ये सनग्लासेस पे मुझे कैसा लग रहा है, आप लोग प्लीज़ बताइए.
As long as you're committed to me and not somebody else, somebody else. I'm trying to figure out how to keep it.
So we are heading towards Bangalore. My cousin, my uncle. Uncle,
Yeah.
this will be our vlog regarding that we are traveling from Chennai to Bangalore to visit the Lal Bagh. Do you want to say something?
Actually, I had visited the same place 35 years ago, and this is my second time visit to
You
that.
have visited 35 years ago.
Yeah.
35 years?
Yeah,
Wow.
35 years I have visited that place, and there are some other small gardens, I mean parks, in addition to that Lal Bagh one. I think we will be visiting those places also today, as far as practicable. We'll take lunch in the house of one of my relatives in Bangalore, and then we'll get back to Chennai again. Thank you.
And she is my cousin, she is also a vlogger. Say about what we are going to do in Lal Bagh.
I don't know. Let's see. What will you do?
She's looking like a Pakistani, right?
Really? Don't call me Pakistani. I'm Indian. I'm Indian, please. I'm not Pakistani.
Right.
Yeah. Journey by flights are usually boring, so we were busy making the vlogs. My cousin is also making some clips, and I was also talking for that vlog also. My uncle is so handsome, right? Please comment on the comment box.
She's copying me. She's copying me. I just
I
said
have
he's handsome. That's why she's
Yeah, I should copy.
copycat.
And please guess the age of uncle. I think you will think he's 40 years old.
Yes, falls in between 20 and 50.
20 and 30.
20 and 50.
20 and 30. He is our Anil Kapoor. And we have done checkup also in Apollo Hospital. His hearts and lungs are still so young. Yeah, everything is young,
And
just
also
like
brain is like
Yeah.
5 years like advanced.
even 5 years advanced. Even I will forget every time he will give me the flight number, but he can. Koi diokson flight number to? Uncle?
521.
Oh, Marathi was so tough.
And while coming to Chennai also, I used to forget the flight number again and again, but he is the one who will just utter it so clearly. और एक मैंने आपको देखा था. Oh, and he even know all the values, all the ESR values of the I mean everything about medical science also. Even though he is a arts, he is a officer of forest, but he knows everything about medical sciences. So that have given me a shock while I was examining him while doing the checkups. He used to utter all the things like this is this and this is this like ESR, why ESR increased. Generally ESR increases because of infection. He was also explaining it to me. So, and your father also. Yesterday he was asking me, tell me about the mechanism.
Because he's an experienced.
So they are our inspiration.
Actually, our home serve is pharmacy.
My uncles and my aunties, they all are my inspiration. My uncle is my inspiration. My father, my uncle, they always try to learn new things, and that's what me, Nilu, everyone wants to do, right? He also wants to learn new things. So this is also a new thing for me, this vlog making thing. So please subscribe to my channel and
Subscribe to my channel.
बोल दो.
Subscribe to our channel. Also mine.
And also,
Mine.
सो बातें करते करते ब्लॉग बनाते बनाते कैसे पहुंच गए 45 मिनट्स में ही पता ही नहीं चला. सो दिस इज़ द बेंगलोर एयरपोर्ट. वी हैव लैंडेड ऑन द बेंगलोर एयरपोर्ट नाउ. आप लोग देख सकते हैं पूरा फ्लाइट एकदम खाली हो गया. हम लोग सबसे लास्ट में निकल रहे हैं और अभी नीचे उतर के आप लोगों को दिखाएंगे बेंगलोर. सो देखते रहिए टिल द एंड. दिस इज़ द बेंगलोर एयरपोर्ट.
Sometimes you gotta see it with your own eyes. Run wild, you gotta let it out those good vibes. I'm on a trip with you. Go down, salute the sun. You're the morning light. I know you feel it. Home again, you're branching out into the neverland. I'm on a trip with you.
I was wearing 2 masks and remove 1 mask as soon as I landed. So अभी आप लोगों को दिखाएंगे बेंगलोर का एयरपोर्ट और बेंगलोर सिटी. सो देखते रहिए लास्ट तक ये ब्लॉग.
Don't move too fast or it will make you drown.
হতো ভিতরে হতো.
Gotta move into a common ground. I'm on a trip with you. You are not alone in this. I am by your side.
Feels like time is going faster than it seems. We were just two kids who were trying to live the teenage dream. We could see no reason why we should ever try to go to sleep. Remember every weekend we stayed out late and then went home to me. I wish that I could live that dream again.
Now we are moving towards the Starbucks to have some coffee and cappuccino.
Taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me.